To delete all the duplicate photos at once on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete all the duplicates from Google Photos. Now, the first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have a Google account with you and make sure that you are logged into your Google Photos. So this is the homepage of Google Photos where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar like Photos, Collection, Create, Search, and all of it. The thing is that Google Photos doesn't have full delete all duplicate button, but it does give you a tool to find any more duplicates. Now to find it, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of photo settings. After clicking on the option of photo settings, you just need to going on the option of photo settings. Here you'll see the option of backup, notification, preference, sharing, app and device, and all of it. So click on the option of preference, and here you'll see the option of stack similar photos, group similar faces, and all of it. So click on the first option which says stack similar photos and make sure to enable it. So after enabling it, you will be able to get all the similar photos at one place, and you will simply delete the same photos by going on the option of that. So that's it. That's how you can review and delete all the duplicate photos of Google Photos from a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.